Mwancho morigereria bugete sendi ya Kisii hot na wake ngambu ya muna sengi choko endelea kusanga ama nitokera chingaki ncheni konkor kwa nyamto Dennis kusina buwancha unangeri kuntu ase ebire vigani kona kwadeganiri egeretinyare ko batogo sanga aso buamo na anene mono korigereria amangana ya gasine korekana kurwa aso rokongorwa gusi ebire vigani konte tukukwanira ikoro ya ebiti byechindege ose airstrips and airports bibi kutoka ase county sano nemo chia Nyanza region. Ase Nyanza region ni kutobwate county isano nemo. Nyanza region yakarukiru kari Nyanza province kurwaro ni kutobwate county isano nemo na county nye chibwate airstrips and airports. Lakini county bere nchibwati airstrip was airport. Tega tusanga so bwamo togende ye masayemo nande sensemo ya comment section na bokurwa amoni ago igoro ya enkwane yiga. Twaro chabara iba gukwanira bagusi bagukwanira abomo bomugusi koruchinsemo cha Nairobi tukarura abara ya babwataine kurwagusi bagukwanira asenchereyemo. Nikonta keteko boira masayemo na kubamanyanga ase county sano nemo chia Nyanza region. Kisii county and Nyamira counties. Etine county bere chia bagusi chioka. Chitabwati airstrip was airport. Ntaketo kuchako kumanyere korwa ase county ya Migori. Egeto chagetinere chagete kurwaria Tanzania gocha bakuria bakabwata nabagere bakabwata mpaka ugusi na Bansai na Migori county ebwate ti airstrip isato. The first airstrip ikoro kwa Richota eyere located Migori town. Airstrip yende akabere nekoro ku Makalida mines. Eye gotoka airstrip yotoka ime Migori county. Ndo wote ke hanja airstrip egotoka ni Migori county. Echinirenga isoto. One of them nere operational egokorega asi Migori county chindega chikogwa na chaboka chagenda. Homa Bay county niye bwate airstrip ayemo eyo bwate tukobeka ebe airport. It is an airport but right now nigo ego operative na airstrip. Ige koro kwa we call it Kabunde airstrip. Right now no ogenda Kabunde na boko nyora chindege chikogwa na chikoboka chiri chinke chiri chikoboya abantu 10 chiri chinke na wachikogwa Kabunde konya gokoro Nairobi oteto ikagusibwango okorina endege ekubeke Kabunde airport airstrip in Homa Bay county osogwalia Migori kuroro. It is a 1 hour drive wochagusi we go waikire bwango. So it means the two counties etwanore chibwate airstrip. Eya gatato ndobwate Kisumu county. Kisumu county ni ebwate international airport. Abara yabange baguseka ne guri barasa matanga useme kutano ibagota bangati atokwane tomunyake Kisumu toikere ndege etwere Nairobi. Nkibatire okwana ngatomunyake Bosongo tomunyake Suneka tomunyake Nyamira Sironga tomunyake Nyangoso tori ne ndege tetunyora bago kwa tomunyake araria tomunyake Kisumu no murayo ne bwense ocha gusiga iga awikira Kisumu ari negari emomunyake gocha Kisii county ose Nyamira county achikori ne ndege achikori ne achikokera mukutano kagokora nande nigakwirana negari achikori ne ndege either Kabunde in Homa Bay either Migori gose Kisumu. county ya kane niyo koro kwa Siaya County. Siaya County, it has nebwate more than 2 airstrips. Ndobwate Gombe Airstrip, ndobwate Dominion Airstrip and Kadenge Ratuoro. Yeah. Na ndobwate Mfangano Airstrips in Siaya County. Now you see, amongst the 6 counties in Nyanza region, it is only Kisii and Nyamira counties. We don't have an airstrip or an airport. Kisii County, emyaka ya magega, ntabona na alinge skuru, na kaibure igatigie chindege gya sunika. When I was in class 7, togacha Iterio Poise that time for a music festival. Eri a primary. Kotoro ororo, one of the teachers told us at the far end, kuchimuinari, you go there, if you go there, igari no getige chindege. Yasuneka, chiko wachiri chinke. And we were so much eager kunaba wanafunzi kogenda igetige yasunika korora either getive na gekoreka na ge chindege gosa chindege. But it is unfortunate that when the president came to Kisii County some days back, niga abateba nga getige yasuneka babeke affordable housing yororo. Tukaiwa from the previous regime nga kiarusi gusuneka batebre negeke bakirire egetige kiendege in Nyamira County. Toigwa nsironga gekobekwa. Toigwa nyango sorogoro gekobekwa. But even right now we don't have even one working airstrip. It operational every day. Ndei mukente abenga kuntu na atigire kuragira rero na abeka ninde nibe stati kuntu meka epara tianga nene ndege Nairobi for a meeting. When leaders pago chagusi kurwa other parts of the country, eko very shameful kuocha saba gusi when we don't have an airstrip or an airport. Let me give you a good example. The ambassador to Kenya, May Whitman, when she came to Kisii County before yesterday she resigned as an ambassador to Kenya, saying Chobora Imbo Achencha. When May Whitman came to Kisii County last month, imagine, do you know where she landed? Ambassador egaacha kuru Nairobi ekagune ndege Homa Bay County Kabunde Airstrip akamagutumeka chigari kurororogocha Kisii County for 2 days akoreto mukutano ya Kisii County na anda agatumeka chigari kuru Kisii County ocho Homa Bay County Airstrip ya Kabunde akarine rorore ndege ochi Nyorobi. Now the question is, as Gusii Nation, kandi turatware the operational airstrip was airport. Konye leaders, they are fighting for their personal interest. The meeting of yesterday, abuna baraiba Gusii, bombe na nete na gukwanira report unit yo mu Gusii. What is the first priority as you leaders when you have come together? The first agenda to present before the president that as Gusii unit, as Gusii leaders, from the two counties and other leaders pagusiba kugamba the other constituencies and outside the Gusii nation. We want APCD. Nki muta tangani. I heard many of them saying of roads, electricity, and other things. But airstrip and airport, what have you learned about it? Abara yaba mwachite igente kemo. Let me help you one thing. Before mutarabeka any agenda, kwirena mo president now, no Gusii unit, we have come here, we want this. The first thing mokobuta kerikobeka in front of you is the airstrip or an airport. Asengenjo, this airport and airstrips ivire under the national government. Kenya. Under Kenya, that is national government. Hakuna gavana yeyote ambaye anaruhusiwa kuagachege yechi ndege kwa airstrip. Now, you mnamwachire amo. We want to see you kubogoria the agenda ya airstrip and airport. Take it to the president and agree. Ase kubekwa, eita nebeku Kisii, nebeku Nyamira. The only one thing we want, ekorigasi. Every operational every day. Mwobekege agenda. Now remove your personal interest. Chaino, my constituency, ngagatire constituency ane para electricity. Now talk as Gusii. Kwanegente kemo one voice. It is either you go to Suneka because they want some improved structures. Chindaga chirichinke na bochi kuna wakora igasi Suneka. Well, why tugasene kurigereria? Either tuagache airport, either Nyamira, egetikia ndege, either we Sironga, Nyangoso, so that ndo tuarobo soku nonaye to gocha matanga ngari baga ndara kwano murai ndaka pore yane mnyoke ndege ya Kisumu ngo ntigere Nairobi ngochi. So shameful. Ngari baga ndaka kwana ndege ya Kisumu tentiga. Yani obosoku nona te gotwara bosoku ngangi Kisumu chokori nere ndege. So those leaders, we want one unit. Motige kurwana chibosegi botayo. Yeah? Moko enda matanga motwara bosegi. I saw the other day some leaders either from Nyamira County and the Kisii counties, senators, members of parliament, women reps, MCAs, yani governors, mokwanda amatanga. The only one thing kera bongo boy noime. Otabe pore, the next thing, otake, mugavana oyo, kori chibesa, mugavana oyo, teisaini, 2027, ninche ngisaini nchore. That is so shameful. That energy, ogotwara yokorama a leader. Use the same energy. Come together. Put more power. And ask for the operational airport or airstrip as a Gusii. It is very shameful. The 6 counties. Kisii, Nyamira, Migori, Homabay, Kisumu, Siaya. Atuna airstrip, atuna airport. Aba Gusii, mubwati. Right now, Migori County, patake kubagane county yabe kabere because mbatagete aba kure banyore county yabo. Sorry, ekoroko Kehanja County. Wapatio county yao sahi, watakuwa na airstrip yao ama sahi because they have Kehanja airstrip. Mkwaba ni vita tu, mikutano, just fighting each other. Kutusiana mitandao. abarai bagusi very shameful, very shameful. Obosoku asimura abarai baini bagusi. Yeah. Njenani ngekomana, I was just giving some light information igoro ya airstrips and airports. Ngaba gusa seven mumanyenga, it is only Kisii County and Nyamira County that don't have airstrips or airports. Nchenkuru kwa nyepto Dennis kwa wantona angeri kuntu, tianga ene gocha tomirane ebrovine.